Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best mouse for AutoCAD? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mouse for AutoCAD are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5. Logitech Mix Ergo. This is a different category of the mouse where you don't need to move the actual mouse on any surface, rather you can use the thumb trackball to do the same. This, as you can see, will take some time to get used to, but once you are comfortable using this mouse, it will help you significantly reduce the strain on your hand. Its shape is ergonomic, and because of its large size, it fits comfortably in your hand too. The material is soft rubber type, which is again great for a good grip on the mice. The scroll wheel can not only rotate, but you can also tilt it left and right, which is great for navigating in 2D and 3D space. This mouse has a built-in battery that lasts up to 120 days on a full charge, and with 1 minute of charge, you can work for 24 hours uninterrupted. You can charge it using the micro USB cable provided with the product. At number 4. 3D CONNEXIO and CAD Mouse Pro. The ergonomic design of the CAD Mouse Pro is among its most remarkable features. The ergonomic design of this mouse makes it feel good in your palm even after extended use. It is simpler to operate the mouse with accuracy and control because of the mouse's great grip, which is provided by the textured side grip. For CAD experts, the dedicated middle mouse button on the CAD Mouse Pro is crucial. You can easily pan, zoom, and rotate your drawings using this button. Additionally, it features 5 programmable buttons that can be assigned to carry out particular tasks. The mouse is constructed of high-quality components, including aluminum and PDFE. The mouse's PDFE feet on the underside make it simple to move the mouse quickly and precisely. For professionals that utilize AutoCAD, the 3D CONNEXIO and CAD Mouse Pro is a precision tool. Anyone wishing to work more efficiently, intelligently, and precisely with AutoCAD needs this tool because of its ergonomic design, premium materials, and cutting-edge functionality. At number 3. Razer Deadheader V2 Pro. When looking for the finest mouse for AutoCAD, gaming mice are frequently a fantastic option as well. The Razer Deadheader V2 Pro is a nice illustration. As someone who has worked with numerous mice and played video games for countless hours, I can tell with certainty that the Deadheader V2 Pro is an outstanding item in its category. The Deadheader V2 Pro has a slick and fashionable design, which is the first thing you'll notice about it. The gadget has a cozy, ergonomic design that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. The mouse may be held comfortably thanks to the textured grip. However, the Deadheader V2 Pro's performance is what gives it its true beauty. A high-precision optical sensor included into the gadget provides up to 20,000 dpi and 99.6% resolution accuracy, enabling blazingly quick response times and accurate movements. 8 programmable buttons on the Razer Deadheader V2 Pro are more than adequate for the majority of workflows. However, the Deadheader V2 Pro's best feature is its ability to store up to 5 different profiles that are accessible with just a button push. At number 2. Logitech G600 MMO. With 20 customizable buttons, the G600 may initially appear a bit daunting, but it is an excellent tool for increasing productivity and streamlining workflow. It also contains a G-Shift button, virtually doubling the number of buttons you have available in addition to the 20 already there. This level of customization enables quick and simple access to frequently used functions, which can help you complete design tasks more quickly and spend less time traversing menus. Although the G600 MMO wasn't created with AutoCAD in mind, users in this industry will find its adjustable button arrangement and high-precision sensor to be quite useful. All things considered, the Logitech G600 MMO is a fantastic purchase for anyone trying to improve their AutoCAD workflow and boost productivity. At number 1. Logitech Mix Master 3 Siemens. My personal favorite and one of the most often used mice for AutoCAD and Revit is the Logitech Mix Master 3 Siemens. And there's a good explanation for that. For AutoCAD and Revit users, you need accuracy, comfort, and efficiency. This high-performance mouse was created with CAD experts in mind. The Logitech Mix Master 3 Siemens stands out for a number of reasons, including its dark-field high-precision tracking technology. The mouse is the ideal tool for working in a range of settings thanks to this amazing technology that makes it possible for it to track on any surface, even glass. When using AutoCAD for extended periods of time, the mouse's ergonomic design is another fantastic benefit. The ergonomic design of the mouse and thumb rest make for a comfortable grip and lessen hand and wrist fatigue. With its strength, adaptability, and comfort, the Logitech Mix Master 3 Siemens mouse can help you advance your CAD work. This mouse is among the best for CAD work because to its accuracy tracking technology, ergonomic design, and programmable buttons. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.